If you are not able to give proper time to your study or study each and every subject thoroughly at home, then making the most of your lecture time and studying it with full focus and with full concentration is really very important, because when we hear the lecture with our full focus and with our full concentration, half of the things are already set in our mind. But many of the students does not know the importance of listening to a lecture properly, and thus they end up not listening to the lecture. And thus today I will be giving you some easy points that will help you to actively learn and get the most out of your lecture. But before that, to those who are new to this channel, hi, this is Vaidehi and I welcome you to my YouTube channel, which is Study Techniques with Vaidehi. The first point that every student must know is to prepare beforehand. Whenever you know that the teacher is going to start a new chapter, beforehand only just give your 10 to 15 minutes to that particular chapter and see the outline of the chapter, that what the chapter is all about, what the chapter is trying to tell, what is the information that you already know of that chapter, and just consider your thoughts and try to recall all those things. And beforehand only just familiarize yourself with that particular chapter. This simple exercise will help you to give a warm up to your brain, and you will feel more confident in the class, and you will be able to understand that topic very well. And if you have any doubt, you can definitely ask it to the teacher. The next thing that every student must try to do is to sit in front of the class. The simple idea behind sitting in the front is that the distractions will be very less and you will be able to concentrate more and focus properly. This will help you to listen to the teacher very clearly and thus prepare good notes and record each and everything that the teacher is trying to explain. The next thing that you can do during your lecture is to try to write down all the main points and all the main ideas that the teacher is telling. It does not mean that I am telling you to write word to word what the teacher is trying to tell, but try to focus more and more on the most meaningful information that the teacher is giving, and just sum up the gist of the lecture and just try to remember the key points or the key ideas or the main points that the teacher has told to you during that particular lecture. The next thing that every student must do is to listen proactively and stay focused at that time. Just remain alert, just be focused, and do not let your mind wander here and there during that particular session. Devote all your senses to that particular lecture and try to build a genuine interest in that subject so that it becomes easy for you to concentrate and focus. The next thing that every student must do is to ask questions during that lecture. Just make sure that you have understood that what the lecture was all about and what the teacher has told you. And if not, then don't hesitate. Just ask the teacher for clarification or ask questions on any of the point that you are unclear about, because it is all okay if we do not get a particular thing in the first go. The last thing that you can do is to find yourselves a study partner. Find someone who is good in taking notes, or who is good in studies, or who is more focused and more attentive during a lecture. You can definitely meet with the person after the lecture and can give 5 to 10 minutes on the discussion over the topic or whatever has been taught, so that your ideas will be shared with each other and you can share various dimensions or points or your thoughts on that particular subject. So I think that these points will definitely help you in attending your lecture well and making the best use out of it. If this video has helped you in any of the way, then please give it a thumbs up, do share, give a beautiful comment down there, and I will meet you very soon with another such interesting video. Till then, bye and take care.